What if I tell you that there is a way you can acquire new skills, improve your self-confidence, and work in the creative part of your brain, so any task that you decide to engage on will be accomplished successfully. So there's a lot that we don't know when we do a task for the first time. But there's a solution for that. It's a set of questions that I use and it always works for me. So the question number one is, what do I need to know to accomplish this task? It is a simple way of learning how to solve problems as they show themselves to you. And I will do it using a shelf installation as an example to walk you through the thought process and explain how it works. Working with, what do I need? Tools, materials. You are capable of acquiring what it is going to seem like a magic skill to family and friends. But it is only the art of solving problems as they come to you, using your imagination and common sense. Let's see how many inches from the wall to the front of it. So we get the tape measure from the front to the end, 2.25. Let me show you. We have 2.25 of drywall, plus entering the stud, 3.5 inches of screw at least. Have you ever stuck a screw on a pipe? Have you driven 100 holes on a wall and still could not find the stud? Besides the obvious object for jokes, a stud finder is an excellent way to locate the stud behind a wall. Hanging heavy objects on a wall require that you anchor the fastener to an unseen wall stud rather than just to the drywall. A magnet, for example, can be considered a stud finder because it finds the fastener that attaches the drywall to the stud behind. See, there is a fastener here holding the drywall to the stud, so that's why it's got stuck in here. Stud finders that use electricity, like this one, detect changes in the dielectric constants of the wall to find the studs. Besides finding wood studs, some models like this one here has a dial that allows us to find studs deep inside the wall, or metal studs, or electrical wires. See? This is an essential tool for any installer to do it right and not mess up the wall. So let me show you. You go in here, put it against the wall, calibrate it by pressing the button. Once it beeps, you walk along until the light shows where the stud is. Okay, so we have one stud here, one stud here, one stud here. These are the 3 studs we have. 49.5 in between. So let's see if we have 49.5 in between here. 24 right here. In order to make some holes, we need to find the right size drill bit. So I have a general box with drill bits, but when I don't find the right size, and I know it is metal, so we need a cobalt drill bit. We have all the sizes. Let's make sure we can make this work, because you want this to go inside the stud and then open up. The stud is metal, this is metal, and the hardware will be attached to this. So if we make this expand inside the stud, no, this is not going anywhere. A drill bit for this size. How do I determine this is the right size?
Let me show you how.
The measuring caliper is a useful tool for any precision measurement. When you need to know the exact dimensions of something small, let me show you. Either the external or the internal diameter of any cylinder, this is the tool you need. Take a look. So, see the dimensions in here? As you slide, the jaw travels along the main scale, see? You see the dimensions marked in here. Either internal or external. But the real precision comes from the electronic readings. So the LCD display shows the electronic readings, see? As you move the caliper, the LCD display shows the precise readings. And it goes up or down. That's how you know the exact size of the diameter of any small object, either a drill bit, a screw, or a bolt. This is a tool you need to have in your toolbox. Okay? Now you know.